infrared transmission. Infrared range, infrared transmission. Let me show you first that this is your UV. Here you have microwave. Infrared is here, and it starts with the red light. After just the red light of visible range. So from here it starts. We named it as NIR, SWIR, NWIR, LWIR. That is near infrared, short wave infrared, like this, medium wave infrared. So these are different parts where different devices are being made. So infrared light is the electromagnetic radiation with a wavelength which is longer than that of a visible light. And this is measured from the nominal edge of visible red light, as I just explained. And this is employed in the short range communication, very short range. For example, computer peripherals, personal digital assistant, and electronic devices. So these unguided infrared waves, they are widely used for short range communication in a room. So the remote you use for the television, the remote you use for your air conditioner is using this infrared transmission. So the remote controls of your television, any player, they all use this kind of infrared communication. So this infrared communication, as I said, they are using certain band and it is for just a small distance. That is why they are directional, they are quite cheap and they can be easily built. But the scenario is that they do not pass through solid objects. What does it mean? That is, if your brother is standing in front of you and you are trying to use your television or switch on, it will not. So if your brother is in a different room and he is using remote control for air conditioner, your remote control and his remote control will not interfere. So infrared system in one room will not interfere with the other one, which is just adjacent. Because of this reason, the security against the eavesdropping is better than that of the radio systems, because even a person who is adjacent to the room, this is not interfering. So you don't need any government license. Government is not giving any license for IR transmission. So infrared communication, it has a limited use because the distance is less on the desktop. So for communication, it is not very major role playing. But still we don't need to know about this IRDA, Infrared Data Association Standard, to connect the computer and printer. So you see a USB device and you just connect it to the computer, and here you see the IR conversion. These kind of gadgets, these are there, like IRDA, Infrared Data Association.